The Gearmate 19 from Simple Lifestyle Outfitters, Western Australia. This is the smallest pod in our range, and it's kind of been designed as a grab and go kit. I'm going to show you a few interesting ways I've found to use this pod. For this one, I'm using it as a general purpose, just a bit of everything in it pod that lives in my top drawer. Got the Mozzie coil burner. May as well put my insect repellent cream and spray in there as well, and just a bunch of ropes and tie downs in the bottom. The next use for the Gearmate 19 is the snack pod. Now this is great if you use a camper trailer or something, load it up in the morning, take it to the front of your car, stick it under the seat, and just grab a snack as you're ready. Now here's a really unusual use for it. The Gearmate 19 perfectly holds 12 cans. So I've used this as a little mini fridge pack. Fill it up with an assortment of drinks, and just take that. Actually drops perfectly into my 35-litre angle. If you want to go next level organisation with your Gearmate 19, Gearmate 2 pouches fit perfectly in this. And the Gearmate 2s are a really nice size for holding cables, phone chargers, spare batteries, so you can turn this into a bit of a gadgets bag as well if you like. The Dunny kit bag. Now if you gotta go, you gotta go. You don't want to be digging through your drawers trying to find the toilet paper and the shovel and all the lighter to burn the paper and everything. You can just grab this and run. You'll easily get 4 rolls of toilet paper. The wrapped up ones are nice because they don't get all tangled up and unravel in the bag. And then it's a good idea to have a little Gearmate 2 in there as well. Bit of hand sanitizer in there, the lighter to burn your paper when you're done, and a tiny micro folding shovel. Compact, convenient Gearmate 19 from the slower range, designed to help you live simply and take life a little slower.